Well, I'm joined here by Fabian from kvm-tec. This is one of 3 videos that we're doing. Don't forget to check out the other 2, one with Julia, one with Broderick. Now, Fabian, we're going to be talking about your 4K extender line, and they're pretty special as they have an incredibly low latency of below 5 milliseconds. So tell us a little bit about them.
Right. Thank you very much for the question. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Fabian, and I'm working as a key account manager for kvm-tec in the international area. And yeah, let's get to your questions. So what are the benefits of the 4K extenders? Yeah, so let's start with a little introduction also about our KVM global websites. I don't know if you know about them already. Well, we have started to establish 32 different websites in different countries. And on those KVM global websites, we are promoting our kvm-tec sales partners and distributors. To allow our sales partners to focus completely on sales, we have established this global concept where our sales partners always find up-to-date information. And because of KVM Global, our sales partners save a lot of time, work, and also money. And if you like, you can visit one of those websites at the address of www.kvmglobal.co.uk. But now, let's get a closer look at the 4K transmissions. So why is it possible to have such a fast 4K transmission when the 4K signals are losing the signal amplitude so quickly? I mean, it's at a factor of 10 per meter. So how did we solve that? Well, our developers made a great invention where the 4K signal is regenerated by a redriver and brought to the right level for perfect transmission. Like a zip file, kvm-tec transmits each pixel and signal in a very compact form and unzips it again afterwards. And with this unique technology, kvm-tec makes a perfect 4K transmission possible. The 4K kvm-tec transmitters use a 10 gigabit network technology and can be used for point-to-point connections or also in matrix switching systems up to 2,000 endpoints. And maybe you ask yourself the question, what happens when my matrix switching system is growing? Well, my answer is, you don't have to worry about your success because we grow with you. For all KVM extenders of the KVM for Future concept, which are FlexLine, Media 4K Connect, and also the Ultraline, there are upgrade packages for switching endpoints available, which can be purchased at any time. So you can, for example, upgrade with 50 or 100 endpoints at a later time. And one other question is, maybe you ask yourself, how is that possible when usually on the market 648 endpoints are the maximum until now? Well, let me answer that. The switching technology is an in-house development, and there is almost no limit to the amount of endpoints. And because the endpoints are controlled by software, the individual endpoints behave passively at the switching moment, and therefore less data traffic is generated in the system. So this is switching without any limit. And now, last but not least, let's take a closer look at our flagship 4K product, which is the 4K Ultraline Displayport 1.2 extender in copper and fiber, which can be used for point-to-point connections, as well as matrix switching systems up to 2,000 endpoints and more. And as with all KVM extenders, the in-house developed technology allows for a perfect combination of video compression and low latency, which is, as we already mentioned, below 5 milliseconds for our 4K products. And also, they have a built-in MST hub splitter. And capturing and downscaling are some of the other special features of this extender. And one more great feature, which is absolutely unique among KVM manufacturers, is that mouse glide and switch and our 4K multi-view commander feature are integrated as pure software features. So no extra hardware needed, no extra boxes, no extra space. And mouse glide and switch means that with one mouse and one keyboard, up to 16 screens can be operated and shared on the video walls. And with the 4K multi-view commander, which is actually my favorite feature, the contents of 4 PCs can be displayed and operated on one 4K screen. And this is an ideal application for control rooms because any number of 4K multi-view commanders can be combined and shared. And now to the world's smallest 4K box, which is the Media 4K Connect, which is not only super stylish, but also an extremely flexible system. It is the smallest and most affordable 4K extender on the market and is available as a 4K standalone version, as a redundant version, and also as an uncompressed version. But the best thing is that the uncompressed and redundancy feature can be added through an upgrade at any time. This is what a kvm-tec engineered system looks like. It's innovative, it's flexible, and it's creative. And now, our last topic, last passage. We have learned to fly internationally as kvm-tec, but our roots are still here in Austria, which means, on the one hand, that we are selling our products worldwide, and you'll find the kvm-tec power boxes in many different applications. And the fact that our roots are here in Austria means also that all technologies are in-house development, right behind me, as Roderick already told you before. And they are invented right here at our Austrian headquarters. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.
Fabian, thank you. Always amazing innovation from kvm-tec. It's always a pleasure to talk
Thank
to
you.
you.
Thank you so much.
If people want to find out more information, give us that website again.
Of course. So just check out www.kvm-tec.com, or you can check out our KVM Global websites at www.kvmglobal.de or .couk. Wherever you're visiting from, just use the right ending for your country.
Fantastic, Fabian. Thank you very much. A pleasure to have you on.
Thank you very
If you
much.
want to find out more information, have a look at the link on screen, and for more from us, you'll find that at kitplus.com.